What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sean here. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to download and install Audacity on your computer. Now if you watch my previous videos you'll know that I use Audacity, and Audacity is a great tool for recording audio. So to download and install we'll first go to our web browser and then we'll type in Audacity. Just give me a moment. Yeah, Audacity. And then we'll see this website www.audacityteam.org, and then we'll click that, and then we'll click download and download Audacity for Windows. If you use Mac OS or if you use a Linux version you can click that. I'm using Windows, so I'll click Windows, and then we'll click this thing, Audacity 2.4.2 installer. So you'll get redirected to FOSS and so we'll download Audacity Windows installer. We'll click that and then the download should start. Now as you guys can see, the download is started. Okay, so once the download is over you'll see this icon, you'll see this here. We'll click open file and then do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. And first we'll select the setup language, so I'll choose English. If you want you can choose other languages, so I'll click OK, and then you'll see the screen, welcome to the Audacity setup wizard. We'll click next, and yes, next. So we have to select a folder where we download Audacity. So I have this folder selected. You can change the folder by clicking this browse icon, and then we click next. I'll create a desktop shortcut, then click next and install. And now it's extracting files, so we'll install. Then we'll get this next and launch Audacity. So we'll just go back and you can see the screen. Now as you guys can see, Audacity has come here. We click OK, and now when you hit this record icon you can start recording. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Sean signing off.